You've tried every diet in the book. You've fallen off track with your health and fitness and need a jumpstart to get back on track. Well, you're in the right place. My name is Jenny J. I'm a certified personal trainer, nutrition coach, and weight loss specialist who helps women just like you lose weight, get fit, and change their lives for the better. Now, having struggled with weight and body image issues my entire life, I know what it's like to feel uncomfortable in your clothes and ashamed of how you look. I've dedicated my life to learn what it takes to actually lose weight and maintain a fit, lean body year-round so that you, yes you, can achieve your dream body and feel amazing in your skin. Introducing Glow Up. Glow Up is a weight loss program and lifestyle plan to help you lose weight, get healthy, and become a fitter, happier you. It will teach you the step-by-step Glow Up formula for weight loss so that you can get off the hamster wheel of crash diets and know exactly what and how to eat to get the best results possible. Weight loss and dieting shouldn't have to suck, or be hard, or feel like you're suffering while doing it. What if I told you that you can lose weight effortlessly, eat delicious, yummy meals, including dessert, and see those pounds drop? Join Glow Up today so that you can kickstart your weight loss journey, get the motivation and accountability you need to reach your goals, and join the hundreds of women who've transformed their bodies and lives.